Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com and welcome to my kitchen and another Artistic Vegan show. Today we are making vegan cheese that you can slice. It's a raw vegan cheese. There's not too much to it, not very many ingredients. It comes together really quickly. For the cheese, you'll want 1 cup of soaked cashews, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of soy or tamari sauce or coconut aminos for soy-free, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1/4 cup of coconut butter. You could also use coconut oil if you don't want it oil-free. I did add 2 capsules of probiotic capsules to the vegan cheese, but you don't have to. Blend that up until it's a nice smooth consistency, transfer it to a container, pop it in the fridge for about 4 hours or until it firms, and then you can enjoy it. You can also go oil-free, and instead of the coconut butter or oil, you can use water and turn it into more of a spread. So that's another way that you can do it. And then you can serve it however you'd like. We chose to serve ours with some crackers and guacamole and apples and grapes and carrots and tangerines and all the different kinds of fixings for a smorgasbord or snack board or charcuterie board with all the fixings, so you can enjoy it in your favorite way. This is a fun way. You can even make it into a meal because there's just so many different things here, or you can have it as a really lovely snack, appetizer, or at a party, however you want. Great for this time of year. For the holidays, you can have it with friends. Anyways, I think you'll really love the recipe. Go to artisticvegan.com to get it, and you can get all the details there. If you liked this video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you're new and you want more content, and comment below. I love hearing your feedback. If you maybe have any requests, this was a request shout out, and thank you for requesting sliceable cheese. I'll see you next time. Bye.